So I took about like 10 minutes just trying to figure out how to freaking get my background together. I've been having the same background lately and I'm just like, I need to switch it up. It's Wig Wednesday. Wig Wednesday. Wig Wednesday. We're just gonna get into this, okay? Peace. No, that's so lame. Oh my god. So let's get to it. Okay, so today on our video, we're going to be talking about Marie by Outre. It's a quick weave, what does this say? Complete cap. I already took her out of her cap. I'm supposed to be going out tonight and I'm just trying to get this process going. You feel me? This is how she looks. And I was really happy because if you look at the card, it's pretty accurate. So I was really happy about that. I didn't want it to be like super hot pink or like salmon color or anything like that. I wanted it to be the color that it showed. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no false advertisement. So this is how she looks. She's really cute, loose waves, loose curls. There's the part. I don't know if you could see that, but like it's the part and then this like extra hair before the part. So I'm guessing those are for baby hairs, which I don't know. I don't really put baby hairs in my wigs, but I would definitely be trying it. Probably not in this video because again, I'm in a rush. If you notice, it did not come with the lace. I didn't cut a lace. I didn't do nothing. It came with no lace. It just comes with one comb on the back and then adjustable straps. Yeah, let's slap this bad boy on. Oh, yes, you better bitch. Let me take this part off. Oh man, fuck. I don't know where my scissor is. Whoa, look at you. Okay, so this is she. How do you like it? Okay, so this is how she looks. I'm going to do the front, which you guys already see. Show you side, the back, and then the side again. So let's just see. I'm sorry if you guys hear my sister's podcast in the back. Let's do it. Oh, I worked on the part a bit. This is how she looks. Again, like I said, I'm in a rush, so you know, I just had to do what I had to do. The part wasn't that bad to begin with, so it wasn't that like difficult or anything to adjust. And if you look really closely, you can see like little blonde colors in there, but it's nothing like too crazy. It's like really cute. I like her. The other part I like is that the roots are black throughout, so if the wind blows, hunty, you are good.
Pretty.
Thank you. Okay, you guys, so there goes the end result. I did put some powder on the part. I will probably tweak it tomorrow or the day after or whenever to see if I want to do baby hairs to it or not. But if I don't, then I don't. But you do have a section in the hair right here where you can cut that hair and then make baby hairs out of it. I don't have any Got To Be glue gel, so I just heard that if you're gonna do baby hairs, you have to have Got To Be glue gel, and I don't have it. I have Eco argan oil, and I heard it's not gonna last the whole night, so I'm just not even gonna take my chances. I'm not trying to be going out looking crazy, okay? I'm not gonna be looking cray-cray. So yeah, that is it. This is how I'm gonna wear it. If I do change it, I'll keep you guys updated. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like her, definitely give her some love, okay? And all the information will be below. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Goodbye.